All right, good afternoon, everybody. I wanted to do a review for a long time on Dyson products, and this specific one is the Dyson, let me bring up the box here real quick, Cinetic Big Ball Animal, and this is a canister vacuum. Okay, they do make Dyson Cinetic Big Ball uprights also. This is the animal version. That's because it comes with some awesome attachments that really add up. This vacuum is on sale now as well. It's normally like a $600 vacuum. And I know, why would someone spend that much on a vacuum? But let me tell you, when you want a clean house, when you have allergies, when you have pets, you're going to want a vacuum like this. Now, I searched online. I couldn't find a good review of this vacuum. So, I'm going to spend some time going over my thoughts and how I feel. I've used Dyson for over 10 years, probably closer to 15. I had an older canister. This one is extremely updated. It's amazing how they made this product where this doesn't even tip over. It follows you as you're moving along in your house. But let me, I guess, go into some other stuff. So I also have the Dyson V10. As you can see, that is a stick vacuum right next to it. Okay, they are now up to the Dyson V11. I'm going to be honest with you. It's rare I upgrade. I used to have a Dyson V6 and I waited and I skipped the 7 and the 8 and then when the 10 came out, much better suction, much better battery life. But the reason you want a canister is the plug, the long hose, and you can clean forever and not have to worry about your battery dying. Now, the stick vacuum, right, the V10, is great if you're just cleaning up every so often. Those 10-minute cleanings, the 15-minute cleanings, they're really good. All right, I'm also a guy that has a robot vac, if you've seen my channel, so take a look at my Neato robot vac. That's kind of great. You don't have to do anything. Just press a button. But this guy here is using kinetic technology, okay? Nothing out there can beat the suction of this from what I have seen. These are the kinetic valves, they call it, the oscillating tips for powerful suction. There are 35 of them. So the suction is amazing, okay? Let me go into some details. So it does include some attachments. So this is the pet attachment that it includes. All right. Now you see the way it's designed down there. You can get pet hair and human hair without any tangling. This will not tangle. And this is like a $50 attachment. Okay. So brand new, not used yet because I just got it. But love it. Love it. This is a mattress attachment, right? So you can actually suck out the dust mites and whatever is in your mattress. And this has amazing suction technology. Obviously comes with another type of brush that you can use, okay? It comes with a a brush that, this tool actually connects to the bar. So when you're running around vacuuming and then all of a sudden you go, oh God, I wish I had my tools. Well, you have them with you because you can actually suck up in narrow spots, use a brush if you need to. The brush basically will drop down if needed, as you can see, and then goes back up. So snaps right back into place. All right. Even with one hand. So what else can I tell you about this machine? All right, give me a second. So as you know, the animal is definitely designed for pets, but anyone that has allergies, it will really do an amazing job. There is no filter. There is no filter, okay? So you just have to take this guy out and empty it, which is really nice. The bin is large. Unlike some of the vacuums, the handhelds, the bin is actually large. So it'll hold a lot of dirt, which is really good. It uses ball technology to roll around, which is really nice. And it's easy to pull right behind you. You no longer have to touch the dirt bin. I'll show you that in a little while. Okay, it's got the wand, as you can see. That is the wand. So if you need to reach high places like vents in your home for your HVAC, and it is also certified by the Asthma and Allergy Friendly. So it's certified asthma and allergy friendly. And the association is Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America is who certified it. That's good to know. You know, it really is at the end of the day. The cord length on this is 21 feet. So really, really nice. So that really helps. And what else? So what I want to show you real quick is, you know, when you do need to detach, right? You're going to detach from here. You're just going to press this button. Okay, and there goes one vacuum. Don't worry about it. It's what happens. And then say, you know, you need to attach this here. So give me a second. I'm going to put you in my holder now. So you actually get a different view with me with hands free. Okay. All right. Let's do that. All right. So now, you know, again, very, very easy. You know, snaps right into place. Again, your soft brush, it slides down and locks into place. Really nice. Slides back up when you don't need it. Locks into place. So the other thing I wanted to show you is it includes a tool. So if you have an older vacuum, right? If you have an older Dyson, and I have a tool that I love using, and it doesn't work right if you don't have an attachment. So check this out. They include a tool that actually goes from your old Dyson to your new. And all you do is connect this, and now you can connect like a dusting tool. This is their old dusting tool. I can now use that. And it works great. And no loss of suction. You look at it down there. It's nice and soft, so when you're dusting, the dust goes in here. Hard one to find these days. Okay? Let's say I want to extend my hose. They actually make a hose that you can buy and extend your hose. Is that cool or what? You know, and especially when you're going into the corners of your couches, and it's actually not going to work with that one. If you're going into the corners of your couches, oh, I need the, all right, I won't be able to connect this to this, but, you know, if you're going to go in the corner of your couches and get the cereal, oh, I got to take this attachment off. You know, and all the stuff that goes into the cracks of the couches, or lift up your recliner and get down there. Oh my God, this is so much easier. And again, you don't have to worry about your battery dying, which is really nice. Now, I don't know if I told you this, but this guy comes with a 5-year warranty, okay, which is phenomenal. It is a wonderful warranty with Dyson, especially when you're spending the amount of money you're spending. And listen, right now, it's on sale on Amazon at $399 to my knowledge, okay? I will include a link down here at the bottom. You just have to drop down this little arrow and then hit the description, and you'll see an Amazon link. That's my link. You can use that to support our channel. What I want to also show you while I have hands free is, and this might get messy a little bit, but so your power button is here. It's a red button there. Let me zoom in a little bit more. All right, so your power button's here, and you can hit that with your foot. You don't have to bend down. Your cord retractor is here. You just tap that and it pulls the cord right in. You just hold this. Your cord starts coming in. All right, I'll show you a real quick demo of that. All right, so as you can see, I let go because I don't want the whole cord to go in. Really convenient, very nice. This pops off very easy. Okay, so if you're going to pop this guy off and empty it, well, you grab this little button here. It pulls right up. You see the new design, it lays right in there, which is really nice. That's what makes it roll really easy. Now, you're wondering, how does he empty this, right? So let me zoom out. So when you're going to empty this, you're going to bring this to the garbage can and you're going to push this button. You don't have to touch anything in there. All right. So let's do it. I go to the garbage can. Let me lower this so you see. All right. It automatically drops the bin down, the dirt. When you're done, slide it back up, lock it. Now, if you still have a little more in there, you know, with a lot of the products, you just do it again real quick, okay? And it'll continue to, what happens is there's like a rubber gasket in here that rubs up against these fibers and cleans them. Lock, close. Really, really nice. Well designed and extremely powerful. And it just lays right back in with no headache whatsoever. So easy, so easy. All right. They do sell replacement parts too. You know what I mean? There's always replacements parts available. There's third-party parts available too, by the way. But this is a beast. This is a well-made machine. And I can tell you, you know I have a dog. You've seen Brooklyn. And it's a lot of work. But I like a clean house. This has a 5-year warranty. This is the US model. CY22 is the model, by the way. If you have any problems, they will ship it back to Dyson at no cost to you. They do tech support via chat. They have a 5-star warranty on Yelp, which is really nice. And the way they designed this machine, I mean, really, if I could show you just some of the things that this machine has really evolved so that when you're up at the ceiling and you are moving and grooving, I mean, even the handle and the way it moves up, down, sideways, you don't strain. Oh, the other thing I want to show you. Give me a second. So I thought about this just now. Very convenient, right? So if you're tall, if you're short, you know, especially if you're tall, but if you're short, what's nice about this guy? Look at the handle. And let me detach it for a second. So I want you to see that this guy goes all the way in for folks that maybe don't want something that's too big. Your handle is very easily achievable. It looks long now. It's really not that bad. Okay. But check this out. If I extend this handle, I'm going to make some room here. If I extend this handle all the way out, look at that. Do you see how much it extends? It extends this full length, you know? Look at that. Really nice. Again, you know, you can use this wand. You can take off, you know, your head and put your attachments on. You know, get up on your fan blades, right? If you have a fan in your house and you want to clean your blades and stuff, be perfect, almost perfect, to either use this attachment or, honestly, I would probably use this one too, though. Again, you got to buy this separately, and it does come with the converter. That's the most important part. So I can use old parts with a new vac. Love it, love it. All right. So again, I am going to include the Amazon link. All right. Down here. Okay. Down here in the corner, just drop that little arrow down, and then you'll see the Amazon link. Look, if you're not a subscriber, support our channel, subscribe. I do technology, but I do a lot of different products that I believe all of us people use. All of us. And subscribe, press the bell next to subscribe, and like the video, please, if you like it. I'd appreciate it. Don't thumbs down, please. I mean, it can't be that bad. It's an honest opinion. And I've searched for a video like this and have not seen one on this specific product. So I'm hoping this is helpful. And again, yeah, just if you click our Amazon link and you buy this vacuum, or you buy anything during your click session using my link, we get a small credit that helps our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.